পরিবর্তিত পরিস্থিতিতে বাংলাদেশের সঙ্গে সুসম্পর্কের বিষয়ে ভারতীয় সেনাপ্রধান জেনারেল উপেন্দ্র দ্বিবেদী বলেছেন, প্রতিবেশীদের মাঝে বিদ্বেষ কোনো পক্ষেরই জন্য ভালো বয়ে আনবে না। সোমবার ভারতীয় সেনাবাহিনীর বার্ষিক সংবাদ সম্মেলনে এক সাংবাদিকের প্রশ্নের জবাবে এই মন্তব্য করেছেন ভারতের সেনাপ্রধান।
You asked about the Bangladesh. So I'll take your mind back to the comment which has been given by the Bangladesh chief recently, that India is strategically important to us. And same is vice versa. Bangladesh is strategically important to us. As of today, which is the other country which shares border with Bangladesh? It's a small portion, if you see, is on one side, on the southeastern side, otherwise it's all India. Therefore, we are the neighbors, we have to live together, understand each other, and any kind of animosity is not in each other's interest. As of today, firstly, there is no vulnerability from any side. I am in touch with the chief of Bangladesh during the time of when this changeover took place. I was in constant touch with him, and even thereafter in November 24 we had a video conference also. As far as the military cooperation is concerned, is again going up in the same way. Our officers have moved there for the NDC also. There is no let up on that side. The only thing is, as far as the joint exercise which is carried out, because of the situation as of now, that we have postponed for some time, and as and when the situation improves, that exercise will also go on. When we talk about the relationship we should talk about when there is an elected government. So as of now, the relationship is with the military is well and perfect.